Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit checks in M&T Mobile Banking. So the very first thing that you have to begin is make sure you have the M&T Mobile Banking installed on your smartphone or tablet. And then first, you have to endorse the check. So on the back of the check, you have to sign your name, and then underneath your signature, you must write for M&T Banking, Bank Mobile Deposit Only. Next is to open the application and find deposit checks. So you have to log into M&T Mobile Banking application, and from the main dashboard, you can find and tap on deposit checks option. So once you're there, you have to enter deposit details. So select the account for the deposit and enter the exact amount of the check. Next is to take a photo of the front. So place a check on a dark, flat surface, and then you must align all four corners within the on-screen guides and take a clear picture of the front. Next is to also take a photo of the back. So flip the check over and take a clear photo of the back. So ensuring that your endorsement is visible rather. And once you're done with that, you have to review and submit. So confirm the account, the amount, and also check images if those are correct. And once you're done checking everything, just stop on the submit. And lastly is to get a confirmation message. So you have to keep the check in a safe place until the deposit is fully processed. Then write void on it. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!